Hello, my dear friends. In this video, you will learn about how to use a coral as a precious gem to be worn on your fingers. Coral is a calcareous material. It comes from a polyp. It is also of sea origin. See, around 900 kilometers below the sea, uh, in that atmosphere, when a coral grows, it will be a very good coral. You can see Japan coral and Italian corals, which have got blood red coloration, and the color suits that of a rabbit's blood. The Shastra or the gemology says that when such colored coral is worn, it will bestow upon you good luck. Generally, the red corals are found in Mediterranean Sea. The richest yield of coral comes from coastal water of Algeria and Tunisia. Further, profitable deposits are also found off the coasts of Spain, France, and Sicily and Coral Sea. Italian corals will generally have a lesser red color pigmentation when compared to Japan corals. If a coral is worn on your right hand ring finger, it bestows upon you good luck. How? It is actually a opaque stone. It does not have any minerals inside. It is a form of calcium, and it is of sea origin. It has been told to you. Who should wear a coral? Generally, in Hinduism in India, corals are always worn along with the talis they wear. The lady folk, they wear the tali, and the tali is generally as attached with a coral. But a coral can also be worn to your fingers, right hand and left hand fingers. Either you can wear it to your right hand index finger, or you can wear it to right hand ring finger, or for left hand, both you can wear. See, how and who has to wear a coral is a very important thing. When a coral has a dot on it, when a coral is broken, or it has got any rekhas like Yava, Kakapada rekhas, that is, Kakapada is the rekhas which resemble the legs of a crow. They are all very inauspicious. Such things should not be worn. Broken corals are also they should not be worn. Please mind all these things. Now let us go to astrology. Through astrology, who can wear a coral? That I will narrate it to you. Suppose a coral shall not be worn by anybody who is born in either Mithuna Lagna or Kanya Lagna. These Kanya Lagna borns, Mithuna Lagna born, they are not at all benefited by wearing a coral. Similar is the case of Makara and Kumbha Lagna people. Lagna is the ascendant. If they are born either in Mithuna ascendant or Gemini ascendant, Kanya ascendant, or this Virgo ascendant, and Capricorn ascendant, and Aquarius ascendant. For all these ascendants, wearing a coral would certainly damage their health as well as their prosperity, their upbringing, and all. Even though Mars, who controls this coral, is very fairly well deposited in the horoscope, they also should not wear. Second thing, who are benefited now? Let us see. Those who are born in Pisces Lagna or Meena Lagna, what we say in Sanskrit, those, for them the ninth house being the house of fortune controlled by Mars, Vrishchika Rashi, and the owner Mars is fairly well deposited, they can wear a coral. For Dhanur Lagna borns or Sagittarius ascendant borns also, coral can be a very good and very comfortable stone. For those who are born in Cancer ascendant and Simha or Leo ascendant, for them the Mars being a Yoga Karaka planet for them, they can certainly wear a coral and reap very good benefits out of it. And all these rings have to be made in silver only. Please remember, my dear friends, you try to do the rings in silver, not in gold. Gold is a king metal, generally it engulfs the effect of the stones which are set inside it. Generally, silver would be very best metal for wearing all these precious gemstones. Coral, when it is worn to your fingers, it enhances your beauty as well, and also it confers upon you good luck. You will become more brave. You will fight like a warrior in circumstances where your strength is necessary. You will also counter fight any atrocities which are given by government officials by wearing a coral. Suppose if you are bogged down by any government inquiries or any charge sheets, also by wearing a coral you will be able to get out of them successfully, getting certified as a good man. And suppose if you want to avoid any penalties leveled by the government through some taxation and all, you can wear a coral. So for Dhanur Lagna and the Meena Lagna Bharans, for Karkataka Lagna and Simha Lagna Bharans, coral will be very much beneficial. Those who are born in Vrishabha Lagna and Tula Lagna, beware of a coral. Why? Because it becomes a Maraka house, second house for Tula Lagna, and for Vrishabha Lagna it is the house of losses. Generally they are not, these two Lagna Bharans are also not benefited by wearing a coral. Thank you for hearing me.